65%. This is a very interesting number because there's multiple levels and things going on in that number as it relates to Shiba Inu. We're going to get into that right now. So here is the thing about Shiba Inu, 65%. As of right now, 65% of all of the holders that are holding Shiba Inu are what are called long-term holders. They are not speculative. They are not, day trading or anything like that. These are long-term holders. This is a very significant number and a very significant scenario that I'm laying out for you, because what it means is that SHIB is transformed, it's changed, it's no longer this really, it hasn't been for a while, by the way, in my opinion, it's not really this real speculative token or coin, that a lot of people are just kind of buying and trying to flip and make a real quick 10 or 15% profit or whatever it may be. It's transformed into an asset that is a long-term hold asset, as evidenced by the number. 65% of the holders are long-term holders, and they are looking for long-term value in that equation. They are buying and they are holding for the long term. They are looking for a much longer, better return on their investment because they're holding over time, okay? And it just signals a very simple thing. 65% in this scenario signals the fact that Shiba Inu is growing up. It's transforming into a much different type of an asset that people own, that people see value in owning and holding for the long term. It's not a speculative play anymore, whereas there was a time back in the day it was, right? They're seeing intrinsic value in the project, the utility that's being delivered, Shibarium on its way, their layer 2 blockchain, the metaverse on its way, the game that's already been deployed, Shiba Swap, which is their own DEX swap, Shiboshi, very successful NFT drop, all those kind of things. Shiba Inu has grown up. It's really what it comes down to. And 65% of all the people holding now are holding long term. That is a really interesting number when you think about that in that capacity. Thank you for your support. As always, I'll be here all the time. I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.